guys, Brandon here with the Hisense Guru. You know how we do. I'm back, on this channel. What we did was reviews and then help you reset your tablets, putting everything on. I got a good following. I just wanted to say thank you for all those who have followed me. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. It really helped me out. And I wanted to let you know that I'm going to do more like this. I'm going to start staying on time. I'm looking like every Friday, putting out a new video just to help y'all get where y'all need to go. So if you're new to this channel, go ahead and consider subscribing up there. Yeah, that button right up there. Yeah, that one. And then also hit the notification somewhere down there in that little section down here. Go ahead and hit the notification button so you can get notified the next time I release a video. I wanted to thank my fans and my subscribers for supporting me and giving me feedback and telling me how much they love the information. I think I had one comment down there. I will go ahead and put it up here somewhere in the channel where he said that, it's easy. He thinks he could do nuclear physics after I got done talking to him. I felt my mind just... but it's really nice to hear from y'all. I've been away a while, but y'all welcome me back with open arms. So I wanted to let you know a little bit about what's going on. So I'm changing the structure of how my videos go. Ever since I've been practicing my skills, you can see some of my first videos, I really didn't know what I was doing. But I'm gonna be practicing my skills. Got some new lighting, as y'all can see, it looks beautiful in here. Got a new backdrop, got a new camera, got a lot of things going on, and I'm also gonna talk about those tech reviews. But the main thing is still sticking to my format of teaching you how to reset a tablet, a phone, or any other device. And if you have any questions or ideas that you want me to try to work on, go ahead and put them down there in the comments, and I'll go ahead and read them. I'm going to respond. I promise. I got plenty of time to respond to y'all, and I'm looking forward to hearing from y'all. I miss my fans. So this is the Hisense Guru, just wanting to make sure that I come to you and let you know that I am back and I am in charge. Yes. So once again, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I like to entertain, and I know you're going to enjoy it as well. And I want you to see the new cuts, and I would love to hear what you've got to say, because it is very important to me to grow this channel, grow you, and also grow with a strong fan base. And I want to send a little shout out to Hisense for thank you for giving me those products so I could work on them, so that I could figure out what I needed to do so we can start creating this channel. So hopefully I will talk to y'all soon. Next, I check out my playlist on some of my Android resets that I've got. I'm going to be unboxing a new RCA, what is that? You know what? I've got it right here. Hold on. Here it is. Okay, so I'm going to be unboxing the Voyeur Pro in the next video, so that will be somewhere up in here in this area. And then what I want you to do is to go ahead and just check it out. See how I do it. I'm going to unbox it. I'm going to tell you what my pros and cons of it, because I've got every tablet out there. And I'm also going to tell you the price point for it, because all I believe is inexpensive but quality. So if you can find something quality from a Walmart or Target, or even a Best Buy or a Newegg, I'm going to put it out there, but I'm going to give you the best suggestions that I possibly have. And if you have any questions about it, please don't hesitate to let me know. So I'm looking forward to hearing from you. This is the Hisense Guru, once again signing out, and I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification button down there at the end. And one thing that I always like to leave you with, thank you for doing something today that your future self will thank you for. And tell all the kiddies out there, Hisense Guru is back.